Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today my gorgeous client Hayley has come in, forgot her name then, came in, and I've already done her prep work and built a clear layer because I wasn't going to record. I was like umming and ahhing, but I thought, why not? Let's just get it done. So Hayley is a bit of a nail biter, and I wouldn't normally recommend going this length on a nail biter. However, she is going on holiday and she is also a nail tech herself, so she knows how to look after them, she knows the drill. And yeah, it stops her biting her nails anyway. So I've gone in and I've used opalite mirror shards from the Glitter Fairy, and then I'm using this little bit of material that is off a Frozen dress up dress, and I'm just kind of sticking that into that wet layer of that glitter acrylic and just sticking it down. Then I'm moving on and I'm going to do the beginning of an ombre on the pinky finger. So I'm using Robin's Egg from CJP. It's just this stunning baby blue with a gorgeous like silver shimmer in it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just placing that on the free edge, blending it down onto the nail plate, and then bringing it up to the free edge and cleaning it up with my brush. I'm then going on to the index finger. I'm going to do exactly the same, but this time I'm using Tooth Fairy, which is a stunning baby pink. So I use the tip of my brush to blend it onto that nail plate area, and then I use the body of my brush to pat and pull that product down to cover the free edge. So on this middle finger, I'm going to do a wash of Robin's Egg, and I'm going to do a wash of the Tooth Fairy, and I'm going to come in with Ice Ice Baby, which is one of the new glitter acrylics from CJP. I'm going to place that at the free edge, blend it down, and then I'm going to use Panther, which is a pink pre-mixed glitter acrylic, and I'm going to put that on the pink and blend it into the blue. So onto the thumb, and I'm using Amor at the cuticle area and blending that down. And my room was quite clammy, so as I was blending, it started to set a little bit. So it didn't blend down, as you can see, as much as I wanted it to, but I just thought, oh, sod it. And I carried on going in with the colours. So I'm taking Tooth Fairy up one side and then ombreing it. Well, not ombreing it, just kind of taking the Robin's Egg up the other side and just kind of blending it so it don't look as like a really sharp line between the colours. So I'm coming in with Amor now. I'm going to make the ombre on the baby finger and the index finger. So as always, I'm just placing that bead down, using the tip of my brush to keep it away from that skin, and then just tickling the front end of that bead down onto that Robin's Egg to make a nice seamless blend. I will do the same on the index finger. So now the material is set nicely onto that glitter. I'm just going to trim off the edges using these really thin, skinny, sexy scissors from Navy Pro Tools. So I'm just trimming away that excess, and then we're going to cap all of the nails with crystal gloss. So I've gone off film and I've filed, shaped and buffed all the nails, and I'm going to leave a couple of bits of filing in the next couple of videos just so that people know that I do file them. It's just ball ache trying to record it with your camera as you're filing. It's just really difficult to try and film. So I'm using the top gloss from CJP again, and then I'm just top coating all of these nails. I'll wipe off the sides just so the top coat doesn't seep and ruin the shape. No, I don't take that lightly. I know you can get allergies if you continuously touch product. I will just cross that road if I get to it, but yes, I do wipe my hands. I do wash my hands thoroughly after because this is the end of the service, so Anyway, I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. When she comes out, I will apply cuticle oil, and then I've left a clip at the end so you can see the final result. I hope you've loved this video. I hope you're loving the fact that I'm uploading more. Hopefully it will show in my subscriber count and views, maybe. Fingers crossed anyway, because it is so damn disheartening. Anyway, I love it all so much, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye bye.